all those presents.
A lot of presents. Santa must have been here. Santa must have been here. It's Christmas.
She has Santa must have came.
Whoa. Look at this. Whoa. A
Wow.
garbage truck.
Wow. Let me see. Oh,
Oh
wow.
my God. See what this is? These three are. What? He brought me candy. See what these two are?
Why didn't you open the big presents first?
So I'm gonna open this one first. Let's see what it is. So I'm gonna open the whole one.
Those are your stocking presents.
The movies.
You know what movie that is?
No.
That's that movie from Disney on Ice. Remember the one where the guy got eaten by the alligator? That's Hook.
And Captain Hook from.
Peter Pan.
Oh yeah, I love that one. See what this one.
Till, those are just stocking presents, I think.
No, I just want to look at them. I'm gonna see what they are. I want to see what this one's are. This one is. Oh my God. Oh
Wow.
my God. Oh, there's more stuff in here.
There is.
What? Oh my God. What?
It's a yo-yo.
Yeah, look.
Glow in the dark yo-yo.
What? Oh my God. Glue.
I think it's chapstick.
Chapstick. Oh man, I want to see what this is.
Oh man.
Oh my God. This is full. Oh my God. That is good. I think I'm going to actually put that one out. Oh my God.
What is that?
It's a helicopter.
Wow.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think that is cool. Oh, I'm going to open that one now.
Why do you open the ones in front of it first?
No, I'm going to take them all away. Then I'll open it. Here's the one thing. Oh.
That one's pretty heavy.
What?
Ooh.
Oh my God. Oh my God. He brought me the garbage truck.
Oh, geez, the one you asked for?
Yeah.
Wow. You must have been a really good boy, huh?
Yeah. I must have been a really good boy.
That's a really big truck.
What? He brought me another Wayne Gretzky?
Oh, geez. Can you move Wayne Gretzky, though, before you open the presents? Thank you.
Oh my God. This is crazy.
That is crazy.
And there's a garbage can right there.
Wow. Look at all that stuff.
Look at the trucks back here.
Wow. Those are really cool. Why don't you open the other presents?
Hold on. I gotta get all stuff. Oh my God. I must have been a really good boy. I must have been.
I think you were.
I think I was.
You getting the presents left?
Oh.
There's another big one.
Can you help me?
Why don't you just open it right there? Just open it right there. All right, you're gonna open it. All right, right. You just open it right there, baby. Oh, geez. Open it right there. That's fine. Oh, wow.
Now let me show you it.
Oh, wow. What is that?
Oh, let me show you.
That looks pretty cool.
Look it.
Wow.
Hey,
What is it?
I don't know.
I don't really know either. I think airplanes land on it. And look, it has airplanes up there.
What? Oh, yeah.
Look, you have another present right there. What about that red one right there?
Oh, let's see what it is. What is it? It's a vacuum!
No way. The one you wanted?
What?
Is it a vacuum you wanted?
Yeah. I wanted that one.
Wow.
That one. Thank you. Can we open it?
I love that you want to open the vacuum before you open all the other toys.
What?
How about you open the rest of your toys first?
Oh, yeah.
There's 4 presents.
But there's one more present.
No, there's a lot more. You got them all mixed up. There's one here. There's 2 there. There's 2 over there.
Oh.
What about that one right there?
No, this one and these 2 are here. And that one's there. Steven. That's Peyton's.
Yep.
I'm gonna open this one.
All right.
Square one.
All right, you open the square one.
I'm gonna see what it is. Oh, no. It's a cracker! Let's see what it is. Oh, man, it is! Oh my God, look!
Wow.
Just what I wanted! Just what I wanted! Santa brought me it!
He did.
What?
That is awesome.
That is awesome! Now let's open this one.
Oh man, look at all the paper Mommy has all over.
Yeah, I must have got a lot of presents.
You did.
Yeah. Can we open that big garbage truck in my vacuum and get one so we can?
It's 5 o'clock in the morning, so I don't think we can open all this stuff yet. How about you open all your presents first?
Oh my God, I don't know what this is. Oh my God, what is it? Oh my God, what the heck is it? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Is it writing stuff? It's something on the back. It's writing stuff right on the wall. Cool.
And just glow in the dark, huh?
Oopsie.
Hold on.